I'm Ani, and these are my stuffed peppers. That sounds insane. Hi, I'm Ani, and I'm the VP of People at Thrive Market. This Dolma recipe was first shared with me by my grandmother, and she's the person who really sparked my love for cooking. The recipe and the experience of cooking it, it smells like the holidays. On a cold day, it really is very soul warming to have a plate of this. All of this is gonna get chopped and mixed in a bowl. So we're chopping up some green onions here. Next, we're gonna chop the dill. Most Armenian dishes have a cilantro and parsley base. A food waste tip here is that you can definitely use the stems and not throw them out. It adds a texture difference to it and a good bite to it. So I definitely recommend using all parts of the herbs. The last herb we're going to use is the chives. The next item we'll use is the garbanzo beans. Next, the white beans. Dolma is traditionally made with meat. I've been a vegetarian my whole life, and so over the years I modified it to really fit my dietary needs. So the last legume we're gonna add is the lentil. Lentils are my absolute favorite in all formats. Next is gonna be the rice. Give this all a good mix. Now it's time to add some of the spices. My favorite pepper is serrano pepper. Now we're gonna add black pepper. Then a spice that's really common in Armenian cooking is actually curry powder. Toss everything. Make sure it's well coated. So next we're gonna make the liquid that we're gonna pour on top. Tomato paste and olive oil. Now you're gonna add your hot water. So we're gonna pour about half that mixture in. So the mixture is ready and we're ready to stuff our peppers. Nice big spoons of it, fill it up in there. So we're gonna put a tiny bit of this mixture in each one of the peppers. Pour the remaining liquid into the dish. Now we're ready to go. We're done, it's ready. It's time to eat. Let's grab it out. Ooh, it's got such good color. It's finished. And it smells divine. We put a little dollop of yogurt on it and we're ready to eat. Turned out really good. All finished, guys. Come try some.
Ooh, looks good.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Happy holidays.
Thank you.
Happy holidays.